Good morning, everyone. We will start the call. US markets were closed yesterday. Asian markets are mixed this morning with a positive bias. Markets like Japan, Singapore, and Taiwan have made record highs. Global liquidity remains flush, and among the news, there were reports on Wednesday evening which showed that American services sector contracted at the fastest pace in 4 years, while the labor market saw further signs of softening before Friday's key jobs figures comes out. ISM services, which is like the PMI data, which all countries have specifically for the services sector. It fell to 48.8, which is the weakest since the pandemic began, and so expectations of a rate cut in September has increased. Brent crude oil continues to gradually climb higher and is currently at $87 and is at the highest level seen since April month. Thank you.
Thank you, Jan. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we already mentioned that Nifty trading near the resistance, and that is 24, 400, 500. And yesterday Nifty made that high, and then we saw some pressure last half an hour. Do we expect some profit booking in today's session? And if, we expect downside towards 24, 240, and below that 21, 400 next immediate support for Nifty. So today, first half, we closely watch if Nifty to break the 24 to 70 to 40 level in intraday. Then we expect further pressure towards 21 for 100 and 21,000 at downside. Bank Nifty also showing some upside in pressure. Yesterday we saw the first half that Bank Nifty open, and then we see some pressure, and whole day we saw that Bank Nifty trading in sideways. So Bank Nifty next immediate support place around 50 to 900, and below that 50 to 600 and 50 to 300 at downside. Upside 53 370 immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is clear this resistance, then we expect further rally. Fin Nifty also trading in the upper range or in overbought zone. So we expect some profit booking in upper range. First immediate support place around 23 940, 900 and 870, and below that 23 750. Next immediate support for Fin Nifty. The overall three index trading in upper range, so we expect some profit booking in upper range. Stock specific, Dr. Reddy looks positive at upside. Negative side, Ashok Leyland, JK Cement, Ramco Cement, we see some pressure in upper range, maybe see some profit booking in upper range. So we expect all three stock in pressure, Ashok Leyland, JK Cement and Ramco Cement. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have seen that in yesterday's session also only mentioned that 24 450 500 will act as important resistance zone, and from 24 450 level we have seen that some sort of profitable has been witnessed. Still on the downside, Nifty is managing the support at 24 300 and 200 level on the future front. In today's session, we might expect some sort of profit booking or some range bound momentum in the market. And overall, the market range for the coming week of trading session will be 24 200 to 24 500 level. Once this range gets broken out, then only we might witness some trend clearance in the market. Till the time this range is not getting broken out, till that point of time, we might witness Nifty to remain in the range of 300 points in coming days of trading session. Overall view seems to be in the positive front. Only we are seeing that next 1 to 2 days of trading session, we might witness some sort of profit booking. But till the time Nifty is holding 24 200 level, till that point of time, we might expect some short term momentum to be positive in the market. in today's session, if Nifty goes above 24,450 level on the future front, then only new long position need to be created, or else we should wait for the new long positions toward 24,250 to 200 level on the downside. While on the stock specific front counter that looks positive in today's session will be HDFC, AMC, Oro Pharma, Glenmark Pharma, and CUB. This three counter looks positive in today's trading session. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Uh, on the quarter one update side, HDFC Bank update has come out, and that is neutral. Advances declined by 1% sequentially, but increased by 15% on a year-on-year basis, adjusting for the HDFC Limited book, which was not there in the base quarter last year. Similarly, deposits growth was flat quarter on quarter and increased by 16% year-on-year. CASA ratio came at 36% against 38% in March quarter. RBL Bank update was also lukewarm or neutral. Advances grew 3% sequentially, 18% year-on-year. Deposits declined by 2% sequentially, but grew by 18% year-on-year. Again, here also CASA declined to 32.6% against March quarter's 35%. Ujjivan SFB quarter one was also subdued, and in the recent analyst meet also they had indicated that there is some slowdown in the microfinance segment that they see. So advances were marginally up 1% sequentially and 19% year-on-year. Deposits increased 3% sequentially, 22% year-on-year. And even asset quality has seen some deterioration after many quarters of continuous increase in portfolio at risk, that is 0 plus DPD. The 0 plus DPD has increased from 3.5% in March quarter to 4.3% in June quarter, which is a substantial increase. So, don't expect any kind of outperformance from Ujjivan in the coming 3 to 6 months. Thank you. Yeah, commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting prices in gold and silver to rally further. Um, One can initiate a buy in gold around 72,500 with a stop loss of 72,200. We are eyeing for 72 850 to 73,100 levels. So buy on dips in gold. Silver also one can initiate a buy around 92,500 and maintain a stop loss of 800. On upside, we are eyeing for 93,200 to 93,800 on the upside. So overall looks positive. Buy on dips. Copper also one can initiate a buy around 865 and maintain a stop loss of 860. On upside, again, it can test 872. Zinc also can test 277. So buying on dips around 273.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 272. And crude oil, some profit taking is expected. So overall, it is been seen that it is consolidating from 7050 to 6850. So it is trading in this range. So as it tested the on the higher side and cooled off. So again, it can test 6900 to 6850 on downside. While as natural gas, uh, there should be some pullback. So buying around 200 with a stop loss of 192 is recommended. On upside again 212, 15, whereby profit taking is advisable. That's it from us. Thank you very much.